All right, you guys, came to pick up the car to go to the meet. No face, no case. Unknown driver. Hey, side quest. Got some food.
It's the warmest shit. Dude, all shit didn't close.
So you stole the height from him.